Katsu-style chicken, curry, and rice meal. This is my take on the classic Japanese style Katsu curry using simple ingredients I usually have at home. Crispy fried chicken, a warm spiced curry, and fragrant rice. Simple, comforting and delicious meal at home. For the curry, in a pan add oil. Add in ginger, garlic, spring onion white, and onion and saute. Add in potato cut into small pieces. One carrot cut into small pieces. One apple peeled and cut into small pieces. One cup chicken stock, or stock cube plus water. Bring to boil. Cover and cook on low flame for 20 to 30 minutes or till done. Once it cools down, blend to a smooth paste. Pour the blend curry back to the pan. Add in garam masala, meat masala, paprika or chili powder, pepper. Rinse the blender with water and add to adjust the thickness of the curry. Mix and bring to boil. Adjust the salt. 1 tablespoon honey, optional. Turn off the flame and add in spring onion grains. For the rice, add in oil and ghee. Two cups of kaima rice, washed and soaked in water for 15 to 20 minutes. Salt, garam masala, four cups of hot water, juice of half lime. Bring to boil. Cover and cook on low flame for 15 minutes. Fluff up the rice gently. Add in black seeds and sesame seeds. For the chicken, marinate the boneless chicken breast, cut into strips, with salt and pepper. Cover and refrigerate till use. Flour, panko breadcrumbs, egg, coat the chicken with flour. Then an egg. Then in panko breadcrumbs. Once the oil is at the right temperature, add the chicken strips. Let them cook undisturbed for about 2 minutes until the bottom starts to brown. Then flip the strips, lower the heat slightly, and continue cooking, turning occasionally until both sides are golden brown and fully cooked. To finish, increase the heat to high and quickly fry both sides again for extra crispiness. Remove the chicken and let it drain in a mesh basket or on a wire rack to get rid of excess oil.